My name is Hiba. Welcome to Hanna's Recipes. I am going to make butter cookies. This is a nice and tasty recipe for kids. You can make it during your vacation. Friends, let's see what the ingredients are.
Maida, milk, butter, powdered sugar, cardamom powder and baking powder. First, let's mix the powdered sugar and butter. I have taken 1/4 cup of both. Now let's mix the ingredients. Then we have to add a pinch of baking powder, a half cup maida and little cardamom powder. Then we have to add the baking powder and also the cardamom powder. And now let's mix it all together. Then we have to add little milk and we have to knead the dough and make it soft.
You can make it in your favorite shape or size, and you can add some patterns too. With the help of a fork, you can make some designs on it. This is the design I made with my fork. Now, let's put it in the oven. Now let's bake the cookies at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Butter cookies are done. It has been taking 15 minutes to bake them. Please make it during your vacations. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe Hanna's Recipes and stay connected for more videos. Bye.